welcome to another studio vlog. Today I have to do some organization. I want to write down a to-do list, especially a long-term to-do list, because I haven't done that in a while and I really recognized how it affected my productivity badly. So definitely want to do that today. I also have to pack orders and hopefully I will also be able to squeeze in a little bit of painting. But most of the time packing takes me a lot longer than I expected, so we will see if the painting happens. Also, on a non-work related topic, I would love to get into crafting again, because I always did a lot of that when I was younger and then somehow stopped. I don't know if it has to do with the fact that I started a creative career and turned a big part of my hobby into a job, which I know I'm very fortunate about. But somehow I miss not having a creative hobby anymore to which I can look forward on my off days. So I wanted to ask you, are you crafting? And if yes, what are you doing? Because I would love to get inspiration from you. Also, since we're just talking, I want to say a huge thank you to everyone who always takes the time to write a few words to me. It makes this whole thing so much more fun to me because I get the feeling to get to know you a little bit better, and I just love that about it.
So we can make a character particular. This is what we call the skeleton of a character.
Once again, I managed to make an absolute mess yesterday while packing, so what I'm gonna do first today is clean the studio, because clean space, clean mind, huh? Anyone else always hoarding their breakfast bowls on their table? quickly written down my long-term to-do list in InDesign and printed it out. When I do my daily or weekly to-dos, I just jot them down on any piece of paper I can find, normally one of my notepads. But since this will be around for a few months in my office, I wanted to make it look pretty, so it keeps me motivated. Also, what I like to do when I have a task which is not done in one sitting and will probably take me a while to finish, I like to use these kind of loading bars instead of these little tick-off boxes, because this way I can just update the loading bar whenever I make progress on the task, which helps me to keep a better overview of the state of each project. I wanted to give you a quick little update. I've written down all of the fruits and veggies I want to include on my environment print, so I can just take them off whenever I'm done with the illustration of each. And as you can see, there are not many left to draw right now. I honestly thought it would take me much longer to do all the drawings of these. Probably because it took me like forever when I did the illustrations for my plant print. I guess one of the main reasons why it didn't take me so long to draw these is because I didn't sketch out anything before I started to draw these. I just started directly with the illustration. And another main reason might be that these are a lot more abstract course, while I wanted the plants on my plant guide to be a lot more detailed. Also, look at the yumminess I got for lunch today. Lemon cake. Belly. No knife. That's disappointing. Fun one. I will end this vlog here now because I want to start another project and that will probably take a little bit longer, so that's something for the next vlog. I hope you liked this video, and if you enjoyed it and want to see more of it, make sure to subscribe. That would make me really happy. Other than that, hope to see you again in my next vlog soon. Bye!